Too late.
Well, I'm gonna open this.
Hey, y'all.
Kiss my ass.
We're on our way to
What's up, y'all? Let's
to
start that over. I don't want them to kiss my ass. I'm just
He
I'm
playing.
messing with y'all. See my little.
Oh, I don't want to take the highway.
You see my
That's
stomach
what
right
I
here?
don't want to do.
What's up, every peoples?
Hey, y'all. So Ron and I are going to do the C25K app,
Yeah, that's what we
which
gonna
is from couch potato to 5K running. But I'll be more like jogging. Like back in the day, like, well, not back in the day, like maybe 3 or 4 years ago.
I don't know who she think I am doing some 5K.
I did the app, and I made it to the 3rd week, and then I was having such bad shin splints that I stopped. So we're gonna give this a try again. I have the tape, the runner's tape, to tape up my shins and my calves and my knees. I have the compression sleeves for my calves, my shins.
That she don't wear.
Well, I haven't been running.
Put them on anyway.
So we're going to do this. We're going to do this. And we're going to record it for all of your viewing pleasures. Hopefully, it keeps us motivated and it's not too embarrassing. But we're going to be running.
Well,
You'll see
embarrassing
us.
is what y'all want to see, right? Let's be honest.
We'll be out of breath. And we're going to just do the damn thing. So right now, we're on our way to the mall to get some running shoes for us both. You know, we're not going to get anything too crazy,
We're going to
expensive.
Dick's Sporting Goods.
We're just going to get something to start out with because
Well, not
You
me.
know,
I'm too fat for that. I gotta
we
get
don't
something that
know.
can support me.
we don't know how this running thing is going to go. Mine will be more like jogging, but still running. Jogging is a form of running.
Well, let me
So,
tell you something.
I'll be shuffling along.
Let me tell you something about this one right here. She wants to run so bad.
So bad.
But her knees and her ankles will not allow her to.
It's not even really my knee. It's more my ankle and my shin splints that cause me problems. Like,
I don't want to run.
I was just talking to someone on Instagram about my ankle because he just climbed the Stairway to Heaven in Hawaii, and I wanted to go while we were there, but I twisted my damn ankle at Diamond Head the day before, or a couple of days before, so we didn't get to do that. And I still want to do the Stairway to Heaven. Someday I'll get back there and I'll do it. But yeah, so we're gonna buy some running shoes and try it out.
Well, I don't know what you think is going to mean, real running shoes for us, because, we're overweight people. I don't know what...
Overweight loving house.
But I don't know what you think is going to be low, because sneakers for us is not going to be $80.
No, I'm thinking like 120 each.
Well, I ain't trying to go that expensive. We ain't balling.
I mean,
Balling!
I think that, my last pair of sneakers just for fun were $120.
Well, we ain't doing just for fun. We trying to lose the belly and the ass.
Yeah.
Well,
So-
her ass.
Your ass too, fool.
Suck.
So, yeah. So we're going to start this jogging thing, and hopefully we can, we'll see an increase in
Y'all tell us
stamina over the next couple weeks.
how many times we done told y'all
We're going to
try
start something.
we
I
gonna
know.
start something.
All
How many
the
times?
time.
We done told y'all that. How many times?
All the time.
And we just don't do it, right?
We're supposed to not be eating any snacks or drinking any wine right now. Every other week I'm posting pictures of me drinking wine on Instagram. Yeah, so that's that. We have a problem with follow through and consistency.
Yeah.
But we're gonna buy some stuff, and I was gonna say we're gonna start tomorrow, but we're supposed to get a snowstorm here. To bring in the first day of spring, we're gonna get a snowstorm.
Come on, friends, let's go. I just whacked my damn head.
You did?
Yeah. Come on, y'all. Y'all coming with us. You get to see Dawn's butt.
Don't look at my butt.
Oh, Biggie.
Am I helping you pick your sneaker?
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something.
I honestly don't like running shoes.
I know, but you need them.
They just,
I like these. I was gonna say Anna like these, but it's the same shoe, so that means I really like it. I was gonna say something, but I forgot it now. But we bought, like Ron said, we bought some shoes. I bought 2 pair. He was gonna buy 2 pair, but he couldn't find 2 perfect pair that he liked in his size. So he'll go back another day and get a second pair. I usually buy running shoes all the time, but
I don't.
it's not usually for running. So it's different when you're trying them on for. It's different when you're trying them on.
What was that?
It was all.
It's not gonna be perfect.
It's different when you're trying them on for actual running and not just styling and profiling. Are you still recording? So we stopped to get some food. We got, fucking fuck. Fuck. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, I can go in here. I didn't know. That was a lot of F-bombs. I went in the wrong, what I thought was the wrong way. But anyway, we're stopping for some KFC for Ron, and I got K-Dobo, I think that's how you
Y'all hear
say
me
it.
smacking?
I usually get Chipotle, but we were by this other place. You bit your mouth again, didn't you? He doesn't know how to chew gum properly, y'all. My friend made me this scarf. It's a little big, but I like it big, so I like big scarves. I like big scarves.
Alright, everybody, here's my new running shoe. They're called Hoka, H-O-K-A. I wasn't familiar with these bad boys at all, but they're good for walking and running. And when I walk for long distance, my feet starts to hurt. So my wife really wants to do this. I don't want to let her down, but supposedly these things are great for walking and running. I don't like the shoe at all. I really just don't like it, but I'm into, you know, what I'm into. I like my own little style, but again, I've been failing myself with the losing the weight. As you guys see, you've been watching us, so I'm gonna try it this time, man. As you see, I'm gonna take this opportunity and I'm gonna try to get it together. Try to drop 30 pounds. I'm gonna really try to do it this time. So
I needed something with a wide biscuit.
tell me, what is that? What are
That's just the shoe.
those?
That's just how the shoe is.
What is that?
I needed something with a wide biscuit because I have
Biscuit feet.
biscuit feet, yep. And then I just wanted these because they were on sale for $50.
You can't beat $50.
They are a running shoe,
And
but
it's
I'll
not in
probably
the
just
frame.
wear these
That's not in the frame, though.
these. I'll probably just wear these like when we go on long walks and stuff,
Hey,
more
y'all.
than the running.
You can't beat $50. You understand?
And I loved them. And I love New Balance anyway. I usually buy New Balance and Asics. So,
$50.
$50.
Can't beat that.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody
So I'm happy with them.
Ain't nobody balling over here.
This is definitely different than I would normally do, but it felt really comfortable.
That's
and I feel like
outrageous.
it's going to give me a lot of space when I'm running.
What is this?
Yeah, leave it alone. It's clothy, and there's something stuffed in there. So,
It's stupid.
leave my sneakers alone. So, yeah. Hopefully, they serve us well. We're going to get into this whole running thing. Hopefully tomorrow if the weather holds up. If not, it'll be Thursday because we're expecting a storm for Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. So we'll see how it goes. My shirt's dirty.
And you got the lamp over your head. It's all good.
Yeah. Bye.